Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Many vacuum cleaner repairs will require you to disassemble the product. Before you attempt this, make sure the power cord is unplugged. To access the belt or brush roll, you will need to remove the bottom plate. The plate may be secured by screws or by latches. Remove the screws or slide the latches out of the way and pull the plate off. You can now pull out the brush roll and detach it from the belt if necessary. When the repair is complete, first loop the belt around the brush roll and align the tabs on the sides of the roll with the notches in the frame. Now reposition the bottom plate and secure the latches or screws. To access the start switch, first remove the upper filter assembly. Now remove the screw to release the handle assembly. Remove the screws holding the handle assembly together. Use a small flathead screwdriver to detach the hinge caps. Now remove the bolt. Remove the hinge screws to separate the two halves of the handle assembly. When the repair is complete, join the two halves of the handle assembly together. Replace the hinge screws. Then insert and secure the bolt. Snap on the hinge caps. Reinstall the rest of the handle assembly screws. Slide the handle into position. Secure the screw. And snap the upper filter assembly into place. If applicable to your model, you can access the rewind cord housing and motor assembly by first removing the HEPA filter. Now lift off the upper filter assembly and remove the screws to release the cord housing plate. Your next step is to remove the hose. Now uninstall the screws to release the hose fitting. Remove the screws securing the vacuum cleaner's back panel and any guides or supports. Then pull the panel off. Remove the screws securing the hinge covers and unclip both covers. Now unhook the belt from the motor shaft and lift the handle, cord reel, and motor assembly off of the base. Remove the screws securing the motor housing. Pull off the retaining clip if necessary, and separate the housing. If required, you can now remove all of the screws securing the cord housing cover. When the repair is complete, reinstall the cord housing cover and secure the screws. Join together the two halves of the motor housing. Snap the retaining clip into place if necessary, and replace the screws to secure. Now, align the motor housing with the base and hook the belt onto the motor shaft. Snap the hinge covers into place and replace the screws to secure. Next, reposition the back panel, as well as any guides or supports, and secure them with the screws. Realign the hose fitting and secure the screws. Reattach the hose. Replace the cord housing plate. And reinstall the screws to secure. Reposition the upper filter assembly. And reinsert the HEPA filter. With the vacuum cleaner fully reassembled, you should test the product to make sure it's functioning properly.